it's Starla with expressionsvinyl.com, and today I'm going to show you some little tips for weeding your glitter heat transfer vinyl or any heat transfer vinyl. Sometimes it can be very difficult to weed, so I'm going to show you today using our glitter heat transfer, using our pen holder. So we offer the silhouette pen holder on our site, and it comes with the adapter and three sizes you can get it in. In the package, you'll get a medium, a small, and they'll be listed on the side, and a large. We're going to use a Bic pen because this is what I find to be the best pen to use for glitter, especially because it won't bleed or leave streak marks around it. So all you're going to do is I'm going to actually use the medium. You'll find that these work best with different sizes. It'll kind of vary, so you just kind of have to find your happy medium. All you'll do is take your adapter and the holder and stick your pen all the way to the end and screw it together. When you put it in the carriage on your silhouette, it'll tighten it up. So, okay, you're just going to put it in the pen holder, or you're going to put the pen holder in the carriage unit and lock it in place. Now we're going to go over to our screen and into the program. I'll show you how to set it up. Okay, so we are using Silhouette Studio 4.1. Okay, so we've got our lips all ready to go. What we're first going to want to do is go to our send option, and you have tool 1 and tool 2. Tool 1 is where I have my pen holder currently, and tool 2 is where I have my blade. To set this, I have found copy paper to be the most efficient. So you'll go to your settings and change it to copy paper. This can vary depending upon your machine, and you want to make sure that your cut is changed to a sketch. And then it will adjust it. It'll look like a pen is there. You'll have your speed and your force. And make sure that your lips, since we're under tool 1, is set to a sketch and that it is red so that it mimics tool 1. Okay, then you're ready to go. Okay. So now that it's done sketching, your first instinct is going to be to unload it. Don't unload it yet because you're going to have to cut it. So let's go back to the screen and I'll show you how to change it to tool 2. Okay, so now back in Silhouette Studio, you're going to change your tool 1 where it was red before. You're going to change it to tool 2, which is going to basically make your machine switch gears, and it's going to tell it to cut with your premium blade. So just select cut, make sure you have it on your glitter settings, and then send. So now that you've got it all cut, you can go ahead and unload it at this point. This one obviously will be a lot easier to weed because you can see the pen sketches, and this one's going to be more difficult. So I'm going to weed them and show you how that's done. Okay. So with my nose sketch, I can't see any of the little details that were on the lips. So that's where the sketch one will come in handy. So let's go weed that one out. It is a lot easier and a lot less eye strain when you use the sketch pen because you can actually see where all of your cuts are on your image. As you can see, it's a lot easier to weed out all those tiny little details when the sketch pen has already marked them for you versus not marking them. This will come in handy if you have a lot of images to do that have a lot of little details. All of these lips will be so much easier to weed, and I will spend a lot less time trying to find out all the details. So if you find that this was helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share it with all your vinyl friends, especially any newbie friends, and let us know if you have any questions. Happy crafting!